Welcome back. Today we are looking at all the drivers and their cars for the Las Vegas race weekend. Let's check out the full lineup. Ross Chastain will drive the number 1 Kubota Chevrolet. Austin Cindric will drive the number 2 Discount Tire Ford. Austin Dillon will drive the number 3 Breztri Chevrolet. Noah Gragson will drive the number 4 Curate Ford. Kyle Larson will drive the number 5 HendrickCars.com Chevrolet. Brad Keselowski will drive the number 6 Trimble Ford. Daniel Suarez will drive the number 7 Freeway Insurance Chevrolet. Kyle Busch will drive the number 8 Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen Chevrolet. Chase Elliott will drive the number 9 Napa Auto Parts Chevrolet. Ty Dillon will drive the number 10 Campers in RV/Usave Chevrolet. Denny Hamlin will drive the number 11 Yahoo Toyota. Ryan Blaney will drive the number 12 Menards/Pennzoil Ford. AJ Allmendinger will drive the number 16 Usave Chevrolet. Chris Buescher will drive the number 17 Smith/Farm Rich Ford. Chase Briscoe will drive the number 19 Bass Pro Shops Toyota. Christopher Bell will drive the number 20 Interstate Batteries Toyota. Josh Berry will drive the number 21 Motorcraft/Quick Lane Ford. Bubba Wallace will drive the number 23 Xfinity Toyota. William Byron will drive the number 24 Raptor Chevrolet. Todd Gilliland will drive the number 34 Love's Travel Stops Ford. Zane Smith will drive the number 38 Aaron's Rent-to-Own Ford. Cole Custer will drive the number 41 HaasTooling.com Chevrolet. John Hunter Nemechek will drive the number 42 Tri-State Vacuum and Rental LLC Toyota. Eric Jones will drive the number 43 Toyota. Tyler Reddick will drive the number 45 Jordan Brand Toyota. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. will drive the number 47 NOS Energy Chevrolet. Justin Allgaier will drive the number 48 Ally Chevrolet. Cody Ware will drive the number 51 Yigo Chevrolet. Ty Gibbs will drive the number 54 Toyota. Ryan Preece will drive the number 60 Bodyguard Ford. Michael McDowell will drive the number 71 Workforce Chevrolet. Carson Hocevar will drive the number 77 Chili's Ride, the Dent Chevrolet. Connor Zilish will drive the number 88 Jockey, 150th Anniversary Chevrolet. Shane Van Gisbergen will drive the number 97 Superfile Chevrolet.